much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Abusia for ene adofonom mema obibia akwaba ede eba Too Much GH so Ghana wahala jumadie ena ebre asusamuson for moni aba ekwesi kapa ene so mede ebaba so mashofo ene etiefo ma wonso so awo fie dwaso wo office mountain so wonso etimi de wadwencha wo fa ensem yi ho aba abetu eye eja na ene de se de amoamonim se na wotwe we womu ne de ye ba besimwo eye aba 21 number bia obi ani abre obi a eye campaign obi a eye do betimi aye bia ede aboa eye na manyoko a wo support anase wo tai eye eche se de be ya dikani no ebebetina eye akonya no so a wono so so watimi aboa eye ne mpeso anase ne constituency a wo mu na mame no wo ekasei ede ya mame eye na nakonadu Ajima Rollins a woda eye NDP party no ano no ne de chese wa endorse eye ne bazeneto se wono ena eye ne namfufo anase womu edi na chie se eye womu ebo na mana ba besi mampanyi eye akonya apatuo no womu ento ema eye ne ba eye zineto ewo eye koleklote constituency wonom sene ebeya ne ba no ebetimi abeye eye MP anase ne MP akonya no wobesan atuna eye esu ebiemu enti womu ntoma eye NDC nemom eba no eye presidency de ne dia wono oda so gina ho edema eye NDP amanyoko no eno de womu doze eye NDC amanyoko no emfa mobi abaje se sa constituency wono nko a edie eho de wode ema ne ba na sem yento aba emfa ma eye NDC na eye nipa wode ensem no etu edwa eye nuabrama Alhaji Mohammed Frimpo no ene ye chairman ede ema eye NDP amanyoko no nti ema wo kasa ye ewo good evening Ghana ene wode sa ensem we etu eye edwa echemo se eye zinoto Rollins them eba no koleklote constituency nam womo ento emfa emano ewo NDC side nanso so eba no eye presidency diam wama omo emfa wo mani krampo enkyere NDC wo no hokrampo de wo mo chidi kokokoko mo tan no kra enti ho no wo mo amfa wo ma dwen anko nemom wo mo betimi ato ama eye maame no eye maame eye na nakonadu Ajima Rollins na eno anso wa ena ebiomo so wo di tu edwa SM eye ne ba no won hweye odo se NDC amanyoko no mu ena wowo enumu ena wodi ne dwuma ena enumu na wodi ejina as eye MP ewo sa constituency wonum but won hweye pa ewo Frank Atunia wodi eye wo mo eso ana panyi a wotu Frank ano ede ama omo mekire eye former President John Dramani Mahama won hweye ewo ne ho ebeye kwampa a anko won twe ne ho emfa emfiri eye ne ho na odo se wonu do wo NDC amanyoko banka won keka ne ho emfa enko eye sankrofo no enche because wo mo ehunu bi painting ena aboa aserewa se woje ne bagwa na wayi nani ede ato eye enchen na nsem we beto eye edwa Ghana for dodo na ache wo ma dwen se maami ne na pamfo eden na wo mo pache enam se wo ba no stand wo ehonom ne de wo support se yanto emfa emanom na emom eye panyipa na wo gina for eye presidency akonya ne de wo no de ema yanto emanu ne no de yemfa embra wa afa den na wo pache enema wo ba ne mo nya position na wo honom na ne enu ne yehu se yeto mamame ato amane ba na ye koto eye skirt and blouse de eno de enye ne kwanso a eno na no na binom se we de eno no se de wo maka no eye pepepe because any zamanyoko no wo mu ho eno ma pepepe bia wo mo ebetimi aye ede ama eye mpeso so wofo anase omo kan wo enu ntia wo se yensantoma eye John Dramani Mahama se won san ememetina eye akonya ne so enti akwakoye ensem bia chese wo mo twe ne srem ene abasa ewo ehodo na abusuafo yes free wonu na ye bo ede eraye mampanyi His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo ono nso so na so eye na ono nso nsem bi aba betu edwana abusuafo nsɛm a ɔde etu dwa no hu ne sɛ presidency no enya a place a kyese ye beba be correct eye errors emfonso ne nneoma a ekoso wo ho ne nye ho ene ye beba tena esiesie emfonso na den nso nti ene ma ye mampanyi de sansem we etu edwam mo be ka ya eye September busumi no emu no former president John Dramani Mahama ede na probo ehwehwe so ewo Upper West region na ho ene wo den nsem etu edwa esem eye development take place na enoma bebra wo mo hwa wo mpese wo mo entoto oso mo nye eye roads ne de ekeka ho na se ni nyina ebetimi asipi na ni nyina ebetimi asita wo mo nsa ento eye aba no emfama eye edomkuma wo ma hyebedwafie se wo mo ensa metina konya kase no asubiem se ne ebe ya de wo mo entimi anyem enoma mo ye ya na nka yemfomso no wo mo atimi aye de asakramu na no na chese eye ye mampanyi de na nutu na ebra former president John Dramani Mahama kona problem say no de nsem no etu eye edwamenken kan fama. Development take place in stages. The last time we were in government, it has to improve the road network so we get many of the roads on contract. Unfortunately, because the NDC left office, a lot of these projects came to a standstill. So I can assure Nana that I am in a unique position because I am the only president who has the opportunity to come back and correct my mistakes. No other president in Ghana can do that. I believe that the new NDC government will be much better than the previous one. Now, I know not just a man penny 8 years and some the neck what they refer no abra one also so day a year na pro boy share a year a so a year amasa my greater Accra region no emuno what they are to enquire for any say no so your man penny didn't some no etu eja or say. The presidency of Ghana is not for trial and error. It is not a place for correcting mistakes. It is a place for working, positive work and positive contribution to the development of our country. The New Patriotic Party has the blueprint for the development of our country. We have seen the foundation being laid in Akufo-Addo first term of the presidency. The second term is going to see the fruition of confirmation of the blueprint and the development of the rapid transformation of our country. The MPP is going to do so. Ray ene and Sema, Yamampenny His Excellency, a day or 2 age, and I didn't say way a buy and I don't want to say, ampa said there John Dramani Mahama kan say Ghana ya wo ye arefie ewo ye mu na ho kro ne ba no for selling some kan September no ebedu December na ye refie na da bi da mampanya ya de pa say wa ba be kai wo mu na wo beto aba e de amom na no na ebi no mo say ai ye de ye mampanyi dada kan na ye no kwanso no say de o twasa no wonim say eye na chiache nti watene che no hu say wa ye ne o ma bia ensem fotana so oba na obeba ba be sesa na we de nka emfumso bia eni eye eho eno so akwakoye asem a chese eno so no wo mo che no srem eni abasa na ne nyina no so no ye bebo ewram na ye free wono ma na ye sanso ebo e de era eye isi akache na amuamunim ne nyina akwakoye abato onsensem ya ena no nti wo mo de nsem we etu edwam na NDC penifo no ebi aba abonten a wo mo de kokobo ema eye isi se eyi kwan se like orashe ewo eye abatuo ni mo se wo beba abe declare eye de wa reni and so abe declare results no eye within 24 hours after election on the 7th December no eni kwan se wo rush eye no ho no no nso de nti ama wo no e kasa ense we nyina eye ese eye director for electoral service of the election commission Dr. eye Cerebral Keiko eba bonten edibetu eja SM eni kwan se isi wo delay kram ewo abatuo nu emu esan se under 24 nya 24 hours after election na was results no embra abonten said e be ya Ghana wo bia nsusu be hu de wedding kunu na say na Dr. Cerebral Keiko edin nsem no etu eja o say all things being equal, we are hoping that before we go to bed on the 8th of December, we would have come out with the presidential election. Now, no just like the 2016 election, we will use the manual transmission in this year election. Then, was saying,
The polling station will submit the results to the constituency. The constituency will send the results to the region, and the region will fax the results to us. We any and someone will de etuja. Na no ena ankwankwanko ye nua bema wono so director of election Elvis a free Ankara wono ewo edonkum ewo mahwebe dwafie mu ena wono so address issue no wo kire mu SM any kwan say east wo rahye ewo ensem no ho anase wotie de serebo aka no onto ne bo ase na ase de nhyehyeye no ebeba no ewo se wonye no nso so no Elvis a free say ono so de nsem no etu edwa wo say what is the basis for this claim? What mechanism, structures and system have you put in place to ensure that this claim you are making will be able to meet without having any problem? How does it work in practical terms? An election is a process. Results are declared at the polling station. Those results move from the polling station to constituency collation center. From the constituency collation center, you have now created a new layer at the regional level. Then from the regional level to the national level, and especially from the presidential ballot, the Electoral Commission herself is supposed to be a chief returning officer. By this process, she is saying that she is going to see every single result from all these 275 constituencies before she makes a declaration. Can't you see the danger here? Is she going to rely on the 16 religions? So you see, they are creating another unrealistic expectation. And when the day comes, by the time they are not going to tell us what they want. They are rather going to cook numbers and are going to announce any other things at all just because they want to meet an unrealistic 24-hour timeline. Who forced them? These are the things they do and they cause problem for everybody. Nobody has put a gun to their head. It is important to have timely results, but it is better to have accurate, truthful results that reflect what the people vote for, and we will not take anything less than that. We need accurate results that reflect what the people have voted for, not any can and results based on 24-hour pressure. We ene someone no so edit to jana chese wo chemu a enya de say one more ebe de pressure ebe to easy so said there one more I can say 24 hours on for results number no enya ne kwan so no na ebusuafo ense we nyina ya kampom no menko a mentimi ensoa enti mato ensa ede afrema bedwafo se wo mo so meka me ho na yemfa eye nkomodidie no enhwehwe eye eso enti wo mensa benkom ne mensa enifa so a wo se na ama owusoa ena miss mesika ejira hano ma me ne wo mo ebeba atwetwe eye enkomo na ma mo akwaba bibi aboko ede kristase Oba Mercy. Oh ye de. Me am timi ho.
Makani ni abafo.
Bibi aboko de ho.
Me adom bibi aye fine.
Ye the crystals. Me so me ho ye. Na yen hwe yen starting free ya mame na kunadu Ajima Rollins. Ne nso mo de ababetu edwa. Wo kase yanto ema ne ba Senator Rollins wo Koleklote constitution no constituency no emu no se wo no na wo mo entoma no wo NDC side ba eba no presidency no dia wo no wo ho no de endorse NDC no then abetimi akamfa Oba Mercy mi di free so
yo me ni abasika me da wase na first of all me na makoni to echi atuma tete na shokonya se da wo de ehwe me ni aba enu ano no say we say ade wo fi a eye onu ane ba and definitely yeah ma me no all the time omo encourage yen they will do anything to promote our cause ade bia ye be ye bia edi nkunimde be bre life edi fulfillment be ba yeah ma me mo be den omo be support enti on timi nja ne ba ne wo enkon ko support eye obi foforo na aside that na I know the name say eye real na oba acting real no Unim say a ban no NDC eye NDP unim say twin and twin party anka Ghana for be expect say anka eye dan ya anka ye ka backing bi ana say ye ka support bi anka enye easy say be free eye NDP for Ediama NDC. But in any sense, and saying them former Jerry John Rollins, a free mono, a year Kwesi Pratt, journalist in the mono, or the assembly inside a newspaper, or the assembly Betuja. A more actions, crowd will take it some more money anyway. No, he only hypocrite woman. Okay. 2 parties in Nanya Day, and Jai Sunday, and no face reality. Because upon the theatre, on the way uncle, one send you on Kafan on the way of attenuation. What would I say? One win and I no pen at them, and I'm Jimmy Tomb, and I did you make your dear and I'm Jimmy Tomb. Now almost shows action that be on the say. It took him one say, Baby fish woman. Okay. The twins party young Kagana for and expecting Kabomu one in Kabomu Nimusa due to a year and for drink chira. One match in Naya or Ghana had in my drink baby for their 2 just NDC for no hypocrisy a warmer fan. Yin a year funny comment a cramp or Mokaya about a year General Secretary a year a seer Dunketia Ninsembia will come for a year JJ Rollins won't say or your packing dog. Just what you say. Your man, okay. The way Anna Dodona expected they will acknowledge the founder of NDC, no. Year they are Ankoye, and a man, no. The better half. Any your former president, when the baby. Now, I dear beyond to blood is thicker than what? Water. Akoba said, Oman for in I'm my papa when the baby, because any some of the man, no. Mamma, or dear. Okay. Na senya wodi ya wono eye den e be show on actions mu e be mana en favor eye NDC party. Okay. Say see wo hu ni se ni kru ni mu biem e na wo hu ni se o man fa support anka ye se wo tiati o mu wa no encourage no because of the moja and the science eye NDC party no e bra na wo tiati tuti mu se ni moja na wo design ye no ni moja nkasa nso akun efise na wo odi akun ni nim di akun organization before abema bibie gina no na chese wa eden wa femu eti wo femu pint se wenya sa acknowledgement no ni sa abaso body no na wo man show that kind of respect ni relationship ama eye papa no the better half ne de eye den ya obeka ni sem bros and I support me am gina e so be bisa ma adwen me expect say obetro ne support the ama NDC abaya wono na nkasa no or aspire for a year presidential seat.
Yo aba mesi da wase na ma who ne say obi awose ane oba de yentoma no ba dikani de ma yentoma no enso e de ya wo ba ihe dikani ya se bibi abeko yi ana se bibi betimi aboa ma wo ba yetimi aboa ne constituency e be free panyi yi wona aba no no awose wane yanto amani nsemi de na nso betimi akafa ho.
Eke amida say ewo akonya wode amame na midina so edichia to my GH for obi a share channel yi support channel nyakopon ehia mopa na meba asem ne so no metie de minya ba no eka like metie ne side of the bat for me baby amidjano from some of the views that Mati Edefi Ghana for the donano something like this now quite a political ambush. Okay. Be an air cost because you are a politician yourself. Okay. Ye ebusiansem to nchen. This is politics. Yes, a game, a politics. Politics is politics. You need ebusian of politics, you need ennuanum of politics. And it say if you are standing with an agenda to build the nation for developmental growth be now per element or mania. How then do you expect us to understand say who cast because of Oba in another political party as a film at home. So share one agenda no dear enko or another agenda more mine when other we
put to do my bet me
other policies ni ideas about more mine into what with him. Now pay dear what in with maybe you know now campaign bread and your work. You are standing on your own as a presidential candidate. And aside that, you are a political party in Timu and your four they could also stand qualify for a year collect constituency no. And Teban is saying, and I said, wo for that constituency no, member of parliament no, and you know because Woba and a show until Woba no join another political party, yen vote ma Woba no that constituency no. in the name of Obane party, no, because in Obane County, no.
Sure.
And now, who presidential standing there, you voting or the same party. That's confusion. Because, say, if you don't believe in the ideologies anymore, then why don't you speak to your child and say, oh, believe so, not you're capable. I now can't change. Okay, the party you are in, I don't believe in the ideologies anymore.
Okay.
The kind of way I'm you move from there, join me in my party, send I hear your sign also, and to would you know for your political agenda. Me here, yet me to swap and then me campaign a chair, my followers and my party faithful so far. Make me a candidate. Now, who say, who dear? O party no yento for presidency. Na eba no member of parliament yentu ma will back in a different two things like enko
Nti enye no kwan so a eno no.
Enye busia de o.
Enye busia de.
Enye for the family.
Okay. Okay.
Wo si so say politics nye
Abusia
de. Enti adent of ne ba no Senator or party a wono or person wo joining. Enti no for joining ye no. And you want to say any busia dient no join, even those and them mammy, and yeah, a beer or appreciate it. See our woman, your mom, and your maybe no, or joining that because and your family affairs. And now, mamma, and so send I was because and your family affairs, and no tin a woman a banner, and by joining the party, or no more by joining ya. No more, I say, mother and what? Daughter. Okay. And no more looking more a your family affairs. Let me then want to say in this case, you know. Nebanu pe ena wodena
okay
ni vision ni purpose no pese onya or for feeling
nebanu kwa be dabi na ko ti meje me time e France sa bisa say nebanu enwa be
feeling we anda
na wada check mani ka say
vision na wo no opening in the name of NDC anything or joining NDC
okay
before crampa answer na issue where compare it me dem won say enye family sem and na support no be any we be pointing the left hand at the hometown.
Okay. Nana ma obi ebusa wasem I was say retract your statement. So Nana ma retract your statement that there is no family in politics. Go and ask Nanado the position he has given to his family members. Into obi ebusa say chon sem na wo kan ye ne sign.
Me change time because omo in the same party.
Okay.
NPP, so me and the family members, so many family members they are all in the name of what? One political party.
Okay.
Pushing one agenda, pushing one ideology.
Okay.
Say no pay anything on mobile, omo campaign, Emma that same political party. Just imagine. Say yeah, Senator Rollins, work off for campaign. Onu kodina anka say vote for me for the parliamentary seat. Then vote for my mother for the
sure.
She will be a traitor to her party. And it's Onu campaigner. She will campaign for the flag bearer of her party. And why is her mother coming to say, ye voting man ebano in another party for the parliamentary seat? Now ye voting man or no mama no. Is it about the family?
Okay.
Is it a business for them?
Okay.
It's politics.
Okay.
Politics is one ideology. You form a party and you go with that ideology. You form a party. Go with the ideology. Anything NPP for no one member so much MP for MP NPP muno. Woman dom time and you kono.
Okay.
And it's more campaign so they speak for the same party, they speak on the same ideologies and the same agenda. So the beya quite said there, Minkwana Minamo and Timon Remy, but me can't for no. I'm not in support. You can't do that.
Okay. Okay. Obama say you try their chain. But into me na me host and you na host. Obama say. Sika. Into what say?
Sika. Oh yeah, my point me here lose point to what Sika. Sika will say Obia wo the gap and Obia wa gas and say Oba exercising the support. And we be a trim na MPP like election year. CPP Convention People's Party. Any penny no, or then a support or true support. And my MPP are buying. It's me no one says, who party or go on the party, but no, I will degrading or represent the party no one has someone, every on a better man a party no.
Okay.
But needing them on our party beer or no need new one party in the bed then. Okay. It's me one say, or also the endorsement is say, who do Wakuma, and answer who support is say, even though say me were party when so they can help.
Okay.
It's maybe want to say there is no big deal.
No big deal. Okay. Okay. Me see. Who said there is no big deal? But say one so maame na who jina no obi di wechi anko nya ya anko be stande e wo that constituency ba ena mo ba nti
nipa no understand to wo hwe eyeye maame decision we take ya wo ni say wo ka obi ambition obi dreams ahye
yo me aba me hu ne sa
okay
because it's a matter if you are desperate to do something obi to me can one share if you pretend say this is what I want to do and you better who say you independent candidate
say maame wo what no
Debitie say obi wo maame na say ah wo me why desperate for post
quality constituency but now
obi to me coming out of maame na party like the authority esi de bia obi to me free MPP mu anka ebi mpie nkote party fufuro enti so wo wase no na wa determine as a vision no ru wana kubemu chese ja bona sister. There is no way Obe agree to the woman. Me okay. Sure said there is no one desperate like that.
Okay. And I'm san awususu no. Because do na anti say
you can be expect to say na ma be hu ni sa.
Obi anti say eye dey anka obi wachi obi di wachi. Eye dey say ukokoyi obi like oye kandini wonim say nipa we dey sa constituency we and sa adwuma we dey hye ne so obetimi aye. But because of obawo wonti na wo ka say me benti ema obi anstande a dodo na susu so wo ka enkrofo dreams enkrofo vision a share say na wo so hu no
politicians dodo na make sure say you don't do politics with sentiment and okay. Emotions you okay. Don't attach feelings to your agenda and then omu try and throw that wo and ka campaign omu ko kan ko throw do na wo nsem no
and omu
make but me and data me supporting that agenda na make say it's political ambition is there. Okay. You have a party, and let's say you all of a sudden are sending shots and I will form a party. No, before that, no, you were part of your husband's party, NDC.
Sure,
you were in that party together with 31st agenda and 31st December agenda. No, yes, yeah. And so you were behind your husband, but due to some circumstances, be a call or so on ma, you didn't approve of. Now who say okay, now the ideology is changing, and immediately in fact. You feel you want to stand independent on your own. And I would say Hukote Party, National Democratic Party. And when you did no so no, you are doing with your ideology. That's politics. That is political forming the ideology behind and the concept behind forming political party. And Kofoku my are doing cross said this is the kind of things we want. And you know and no na political party no they are fighting for that same agenda and into attend no when yankofo ndum nechi
onyankofo
as see akọwo chairman okasa de man nti yankofo support no and if yankofo support then it means that for every constituency a nationwide something for every region and constituency that somebody or no one say okay I will send a open as some can ideology other two or policies are open will implement or a manual okay Mr. Media me know so I agree with this. I also want the same thing. I want to push for this same agenda and until I would stand for it. Now we stand now we could do a clote constituency people I will say because of my daughter all my members should vote for her. And because of her, you will not put somebody there. What concept is this? What changing everything?
The whole issue.
One messing up the ideology behind forming a political party.
Okay.
If it's out of a before and out of that is not fat enough to say into the rap politics. Okay. It is about about who now also promoting an ideology.
Okay.
Promote it wholly.
Okay.
Obano eno ya join, let her join your party.
Okay.
And when you are pushing, I know you're fine because so now okay NPP your cousins home, you will push your phone. Nobody is asking say why are they part of the party because we believe that they also believe in the same ideology.
Okay.
And if your child believes in what you hold now, man joining because I'm sure that in a matter of some years, I'm sure Pastor Zenato Rollins, she will want to stand for a position, a higher position in NDC. To say a sign of Papa party. And then Papa party not.
Papa party not.
Believe on Papa.
Believe you.
And the other thing I'm a person and voting man. So believe in Papa no one Papa party. I didn't tell my minister the party members no and voting man ban.
Just also believe you on a banning.
Who believe you ban and my banning join the way.
1 hour.
Obamasi. You're free a man side on Yambra your man penny. Ne sama watu amane ni opposition ni opponents me chair dum kuma wa mahye beje fe John Dramani Mahama say ye man penny there September ni mu okwa probo ekoka say ye ma NDC chance biem na dwumadi a wo mu de na ye say anamonto ni dwumadi de ye nkakra wobebebe ye bi the first term the second term so bebebe ye bi but say whatsapp so one bra biem na one there went me anya na fonso bi oyeye no bra no me correct na Ghana for be hu say new NDC way different from the previous one and same way our kind na ama ye man panyin so kwa probo e wa amasaman wono so di to just ye ama ye me kan se man panyin akonya no enya akonya ye dey try and error enya akonya ye dey correct mistakes the statement I was making was it right?
Yo, mini aba owo engineer Swonti I will make it that statement.
Okay.
And na ex-president John Dramani Mahama onu nso wo engineer Swonti
ono so the Canadian.
What they can, next time what they can. But ni ne mu de ma engineer ex-president Afatisi ya.
Okay.
Sankofa de enye den yenchi.
Okay.
And at times no two anamo bia wu mistake a why ebi won say yes ni a wo twasa no
Onim se ne
chi aye den achia ente betumi aba se wono atena ase obako wieye a wotena ase ya kan say behind scene no wo say there be anka meti so no kadwumadie bebre wo anka metumi aye den edi nanka opportunity like chances wo anka yes metumi winning the heart of Ghana. Nansu bia na sa time no mama meni anye den and that wo enti nyoma anko the way ya at time people learn ade achi ade sen na we other unless obi a won sua ade bia yo obi a won ko nanim no de obedi hia che ebe fam keke that means people learn enti throughout the years all observing a different part me sure say there is a lot that your ex-president John Dramani Mahama wesia wo free say wo ba say bi okaka no hu biem na wo hwe ne manifesto ready ya wotimi hu say si anu wanya new ideas achese Ghana for ebeto apono so aye ni beje wo pa ebia ne national health insurance onu ansem a waka ne say enye adwuma say enye infected na wo ba ye nya card ni mpo wo be ko hospital free wasa de nyoma bi atoto say ejuma ne mreso no nyoma bi ankoyie ye ni international monetary fund ko join ye unemployment ebebu wo Ghana ha say odo aba say oba biemu a njuma be den ebebu e wo Ghana into timi so de onu an say okada wo hu say Ghana for no ebi mu pe express omo pe omo journey fast omo be dodge traffic oba legalize okada that means watena say who said there is more I can do for Ghana. Into ono na say mo wokan no wo woni ngina so na mdidi say akoma wenya wo de kan sa asem na ye den ya Ghana for man chance bi oba obedi ne juma na aside that so nana adon so nsem a woka no ono nso oye right because opportunity it comes but once bia opportunity no eba no we make use of it ebia wunya sa akonya ne biem eno ne nana de amedefo ane so say enye try and errors enti eye futuo say wunya opportunity ewura institution bi now you have to give your best you have to do it and give your best now and try and make mistakes men try and error now and work it out na expect say the people the fact that say in your man ko ye and sacrifice they were not satisfied na be din say they will give you a second chance sika won so be awade ekra na eya we ye din pa say nipa no be trust no
and they no kra enya me nkwa ye obi akra gina ha ekra won so sa
no kra enti na make us opportunity comes
back one
make use of it make haste while the sun shines.
Jo, Oba Mercy, watch your word. Na ma answer na ye beba eye wo so waka wasem no. Eye Alberta Mensa support one sem no can say that is Ghana for you. What Nanama is saying is true. Ghanaians should be wise and open their eyes when they are growing up. Things were very difficult for us going to school and also so ne de no just say one sem na ye kan afa years ne to ne maame de no o support e wo honom nti obi abowas baso pa e wa ahase na wadwenchefa ye mampanyi die ya no so what to dia ma ye ni opponent de na also betimi aka afa ho
in some way me tell no mystery because funny
how
very funny to have a leader like Obia with me Abedi or a whole nation, what be leading a whole nation to say such a thing.
Okay.
May refer to your former president JM here.
Okay.
Now we know, say, as a leader, there are some values that should accompany you.
Okay.
You should have probity,
okay,
integrity,
okay,
and accountability.
Okay.
It should be something that can want your values. At the end of every day in your office of duty, you should sit down and analyze everything you have been able to do in that day. See where you fell short.
Okay.
See where you could have done better.
Okay.
Where you did well. And all those checks. Can you say all the while for 4 good years and 6 months after Atamo's death that you sat in office, you couldn't check all these things. As a leader, you couldn't do all these checks. Wait, me and who say, okay, this thing that I did,
okay.
It had to take your defeat for you to sit back. No, it's like you are challenging challenging the all yet to see because
okay.
Hopefully say you had the opportunity.
Okay.
You had your time. You had that office. You were in charge of the office.
Sure.
And you had that time. They said, I'm going through all the checks. Nemana we are na MWA. Unya report from every infrastructure we see and unya report from there. Adibia policy bia we implement and unya report free mu. Even before the elections in 2016. May I sure I heard something like that. Muye survey my move say. How was the mind of people in connection to your party? Say was it good to you had all those opportunities and you couldn't consider them.
Okay.
To tell us that now, after the elections, now I feel what I say. I will be there all year. He is different from you. My friend, we're different cases. Nanado is a different man with different ideologies. And you're also a different man with different ideologies. So you can't compare your ideologies with his.
Okay.
If you couldn't perform, accept it. Manya, dear, I'm coming back. If I want to come back, now give me an opportunity so I can start afresh. But if you say that I made a mistake and I'm coming to correct, really?
It's so
big a position, so the way try and error. And perform quite evidence,
okay.
And perform livelihood, was that position. Whatever this nation will end up in is in that position.
Okay.
So my Bekoswa, it was that position. It's the best proper. It was that position. You have that signature to sign for any law to come to pass in this nation.
Okay.
It is also you sat there without not being accountable for your position, without not using probity and integrity. What else do you need from us again?
What else do you need? What the back on? So I mean, what we say?
I mean, jotted point. We see a mistake in posting an ex-president. You can't say a mistake.
A big mistake. May I agree with you on only that when I agree.
Men can't only me agree. A big mistake because you know human being and Kasano. Yeah, some kind of way I will cast them to your team. We interpret it, we decode it, and then we conclude. It's for you, ex-president, yes, Peto, you are an aspirant. What's about now? So now what say you did a mistake, then our life is in danger. That one is even a big deal. He was not supposed to even make that comment. Okay. You should promise of your new intentions for Ghana. And we should judge by it and see if it will help us. Then we deal with it. Since say Mobeka said why a mistake? There be now Okasa not just a mistake in the crowd. What I say why a mistake crash or sababi. Obama say to me making that sentence and I just say all standing for being a mistake.
Obama say
my opportunity na make asa. No I mean say me
Menje won sem fi wanum asema wodi kankan ye ni de sese woti wodi asa wafa wodi emom wama me nsem musa me ba be busa no krampo na ye different
me kan sem to make as opportunity comes back enti man kan ama
enti okay mate wase
me ni ya adwen wo
efa baby okay na obi ensem a wo busa wo say enti na chese ye mampanyi JM Ebra or betina kunya no so or the Ghana ebebeto chacha or the Ghana everybody agro a brand now what to me say now I na just say what pay a year another term now why serious with the son I was so na
you mean ya ba me say sana me hunu enam ne nsem a wo
no
e dia ba betu dwa say why mistake me hunu say there is so much of free say yes or correct into no that means indirectly no when taking Ghana serious as he was supposed to
na nama say obi beba betimi aba bedi akonya ya hwehwe ni mu ya hunu say nipa we de oye qualify yi ni say flag bearer na afei wababa besi akan no na ato aba de ama no na ensen we etimi apie free nanu aba after the defeat no edi biem hwehwe mu biem na ya say yi mampanya ya nhwe ansa na yi because ye expect say besa beti sansen we bu so afro obi foforo say obetina so no ayamfo so enti obesa on sa metina so biem sesa na mfom so enti biem na ye nsan hwe say yi wo bi say wo ye frank etu ne yi wo bi say wo memedi mampanya
efia say yes Ghana there who just said between NDC and NPP flag bearer
wo musa but like say yes wo mo no e dey be ne yen hwe free wo mo a yen hunu say e be dance because they say ya wo no me bi a ye hwe bi a obi on mo hwa o e bi a we wonim kasa wo ye say but people so wonim kasa ni mu nyina ye yi no krampo no wotimi hu say wa yamfom so
me say the time me kasa Ghana high NDC and NPP say won say most of the time you know almost flag bearership because omo yi with influence the word influence
okay
the word in the Akofagina too
okay
that's the values of omo check
it is say na say yanye wo mu
yeah Ghana no dey say be to about edia moment me I think that the best qualities are you should look out for in a person or person on for such a position because omayimu ye this 63 years ye ko yenim e won fie mu na ye ko yenim e wo puntujum ye ko yenim e wo yesikastem ye ko yenim e wo say ye nya standard bi at say be say ye standard of living is na to asun in accordance with ye years anya independence no enunti si ye best sign adu ye ntime for ye best sign adu pa na ya nkasa ye the right selection I think that the best quality we should look out from people and say first and foremost here no quality for trustworthy people who have been able to prove say with almost they have been able to do it with almost family they have been able to do it with their relationship with the with social institutions though they have been able to do it because we have had so many leaders that all the time corruption abounds in like government they come with a good message and I will fight corruption and we'll do all our best to promote the nation, we'll develop the nation. Yet corruption abounds in every government. My immunity. I think say accountability, no, if he's able to account in his life, his personal life, his business, his social life, and everything, say he's trustworthy. That is one quality. And if you yet we can say no near family. Sometimes we need intellectual ability, intelligence. And only enough intelligence to be react to situation because who tell my munyana state of emergency but at any time share coronavirus. You see how our president handled it. And let's make in favor of him saying he's a good man or no. I am not standing endorsing him or anything, but see how he stood up for the state of emergency. Let's share other countries, compare it to Nigeria. You see how the reaction was, and even U.S. crap, United States of America, can himself Oma konkan kra matese. You can't put Numa they are more developed than any other nation. See how their president stood up for them in time of the state of emergency in coronavirus. That was even one of the major reasons that he voted Donald Trump out because he couldn't do as much as it was expected of him. And also say how intelligent can he work for the nation in the good of the nation in case of a state of emergency like this. And be able to be patriotism. So will be obeying akumemu ado or minor because most of them come and ebeko we chain and the bush for no omokoi.
Nana yabasa baso ati. Na say the close dwumade ne dia maye bisa no to the yabasa baso. Obama si. E dey na wo mususu betimi akafa ehu.
Sika won say Nana Ekano or can about your individual just say citizen money na ye be voting choose
citizens stand and make it up the party.
No, but before then there is vetting.
In
penny for no easy like almost so say man for buy in person or pick forms are vetting cost so interviews cost so inti almost and we here saying you be vote because
I didn't
us
know
we can
citizens.
be deceived. Listen,
Okay.
no, the way you were, you explained
Okay.
yourself.
Okay, my
Say
point.
we vote them in power. But I'm saying say ejuma kese no pa no. E was sure.
Okay.
Ye mpenifoɔ no ɛde sɛ ɔmo yɛ whom you know minimum wonti waboa me pen news bi a menya yɛ Captain Martin sɛm bi a wɔde bɛto dwa ɔsɛ ɛyɛ abranteɛ bi those days at a mills mmerɛ anim no ɔtɔn ne cars ɔtɔn ne fie ɛde campaign ɛma yɛ papa no sɛ ɛyɛ ɔba in power ɔbɛ choose as ɛyɛ member of parliament
Okay.
for ɔno no ne
Constituency.
constituency eti ankoba ne saa na ɛyɛ at a mills efiri mu ntɛm eti ne vision am yɛ kɛse yɛsi wenya stroker sorry wɔda dɛm mo eti saa nipa sei no yɛn nhwɛ sɛ ɔwɔ capability na ɔwɔ potentials na ɔwɔ zeal kyɛ sɛ ɔwɔ Ghana ho dɔ like ɔpɛ sɛ wɔyɛ bibi ma ɔman but because of the sacrifices bi a wayɛ aboa party ni behind
The
say
scene.
no ubon say ne akɔfa naba minister of children meanwhile on pen kolasem minister of education meanwhile education
Onimhwe.
they should take qualified people professional people not whom you know Ghana ha ayɛ sɛ yɛ whom you know dodo enti obi convert nkra na sɛ ɔnyɛ qualified kra ebi anania wɔte wo a wɔyɛ no interview ahwɛ sɛ ɔyɛ qualified no onibu ne nti no ebi wa minister bi bɛba ɔyɛ mabofra ɔyɛ coordinator wɔ ha ɔyɛ communicator wɔ ha enti bɔmmɔden ne fa ne hyɛ mu ma me that's what is sinking Ghana.
Oba Mercy comment na ebi aba no ekọ de ma wo se ane de wo ka no eye no krepa we suso ekoma eye mu nyina o say these ladies are speaking intelligently kudos ono suso e de na je so huni se mo nsem am ka no bia odo so bia che na adwene susu nyansa e wo bia enkasa yem ye de yenkopodidie no eba eye na wiye na ye de ekọ eye na wiye no ye nhwe ye sese abato aye ba beto na ebinum susu se enyatu abani we ya isi enhwe within 24 hours no one ma win no won declare na feye dom kuma no so say there be enya sa say ebeteki days ebeteki so many times and sana say ebetimi declare na yenhwe na yenye bisi mi hunu say ye abato ye baba beto say dana ni ebe declare say nipa we na win ana say na de chie no hu hia me tuma mu nyina de obeba bia
Mini aba ehu enya agro beso a efi mfiti ase na me gidi se accuracy ehu nya esen timing tania ye de ensem to ye me gidi se omonto omobo na mo ne hia twa omowo ene no kredi enye se mo beto omobo na mo ye kanana mo ne na mase bribe se isi ebia ni dwumedi ese wodi mo interfere there be emre bia eye se wo benya ama enyo adwuma ye infective chese be infective no me gidi se omunya samre no ma ne infective a ye better since omo be rush na ni etire nsem de bebre mu court nsem e beba nti me de ma dwen kire no
na
what's my bonne talk be ja ma wo ye hwe no be call long time
me that na unya hwema me asem na wakam ba ni nuamu no bofka se me obi say a rash decision is full of mistakes say ye ka say ye kan aba no Ghana still ye use tamprint no paper mu ne ye tamprint paper kinkan so no e kan ebeti ba boso
sure
ebi otimi boso kanti we nya abotre ankinkan a wan hweda nhwemu anfocus a wan hwa na we obi de obi right no we afa so we obi de esi nchen nti ehu behia say they should take the needed time to cross check every finding and sana woman the Bible but still now no delay. It's not an option because already now look at the atmosphere now in Ghana. Nkofo can't wait to know the outcome of the 7th of December. That is why we have a body like the EC. So and take charge of elections. And one person they make it have the EC. In every constituency or EC office war. And I think say they can go about their business but still be fast about it, not too rush. Be fast about it and make the air post no decision our air Ghana for take and to be ranted because wow last 4 years 2016 ebra easy ye county vote na esenka easy no emfa winner no meto abontin. See the kind of anticipation that was in the atmosphere.
Okay.
And go find that as at dawn, press conference was still being held. Ebi declare more winners, ebi declare comfortable leaders. Just say ASMP. And just imagine say Sabrenom if EC Charlotte say had delayed a day more. So maybe you're recounting.
Okay.
Maybe say na dene kon whom ye. Do you know what would have happened? Because Obia could say a comfortable leader, but could so I'm winning. And the same way now almost
Okay.
And it means a time has to do a lot in this kind of situation. Time is very, very necessary in this kind of situation. But the time quite limited. That doesn't mean say when there's some rush, there will be and go for Abba and Kemu. You should do a clean job. Do it fast as possible. Now, Omofa results no emetuja.
Okay, not just all the final words see and now the final. Okay.
Aba
Messi, final words to Jama.
Yo, it's here for me ashoko election day ni there. Me did say aso ni kakra from January they say December mo na ye we ya ye be kwa koto abe. Nyame sire obi bia ne say there be this time there yema ye ninda yema ye nyansa sebe enye ejuma memma obi emfa ne power anani sike bia wo sika ebeto ye ye den ebedia wako uko wa we free udi basa ye intawantawa umo bi ma okwan 100 cedis 2000 8 ton kwan there be enkoku mo bia ma ukokromosi power enye ejuma tuma ni awu free se wo ba oba won beto no Ghana gari yete so a me didi say won so won beto ubi insio like send city bia wa judge analyzing nyoma eye den ya ex-president wa baby pen na ye papa nso abote so mo ni njuma fa nyansa to no na fe nyamisro so ka won na to abani die na ema at the end no enkoba say wukowu ana wukopra ana se obi training kwa because of obi ejuma ye hihye edi amano
Yo.
What's the work? I'm not coming. I'm not coming.
Now where the weapon?
Oh, my God! I'm coming.
Now weapon.
It's your one sentence. The America chair in Yanum Ghana phone and say about all and win here. It's a decision making time for the country. But first and foremost, no consider the country and son of our Shenipa now go to Abano Ediamano because Ghana first before any political party. Before any person's agenda, Ghana first. Would you mind? I'm sure there will be peace. There will be tranquility after the I think that should be the foremost idea. And I've thought in your mind before we can still vote. No, Ghana only. Our mind only in here. As I say, you know, beautiful for ewo so maybe see.
Yo, I was here for aha na ebrebe my kwan amayede adwumadie no esie. Na adwumadie ni mekwa so ya sen emayede ebebe somo Mama Juliet Ventures ebana entrance papa oba wo kitchen wo dem asiesie dia. For the number was screen so no entwetwe komo delivery a obeye ede ama. Loan master say wo twen wo hwehwe wa wuti asem no wa na wo so wo frɛ wo. So ya ban adwuma ye ni na wo sika fa controller na ebiem so wo affordability nkwa dia ye na we de wato edi na so kwa de magana fo nkwa abochifo enka eho eno anesa wo fa ne number no na nkomo bi ebekoso no wo susu wa hunu na ne se de obetimi aya wo nsa bekeska no wo ne wo atwetwe sa enkomo nti no ene nka ba loan master ede ewo emawo ebiem so need roofings so ebo ye chidom eba ne chance papa wo de babo wo dan a wasi awie so anasa chance ne so apa wo da dem hono ma chance de wo da abontin so oto na ne wo de nyoma so esisi wonum dia ene na chese frɛ need roofings wo no wo mbedi sa adwuma no emfa ema wo babo dan so ama wo dan no SCP SC eta me amede adwuma de ho chia me medin ede ekua sika pa I didn't try to do anything. Our mom in Samra no Cotia was saying, Yentwitwa bibia ntientia emfamom. Enti midi etie no munianom na ama owusam na mesmasika na mne wo mo etwetwe enkomo me cameraman Yamson Jamaica na Dimeku bakofe omo ene de me no wo mo edi juma. Subscribe to your channel no say when you like videos na share. Wait me so follow your IG page and your Twitter page so @GH_, Facebook @GH midi edi ekeskapa makramo.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankamukashos ability worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.